Fireworks, let's begin!
I get burned, I'm suing you.
You sue yourself.
Man, you get more money. How many times
You're an angry bird. See, that's it? Angry birds.
Alright, man, hurry up. Let's angry pork.
And that guy is baseball fat ass. He's the bat boy.
Just give up any dreams, Nick.
Just shut
Nigga, please.
He's not succeeding in life. He's probably gonna be the fattest kid in the world.
Probably.
Hurry up!
I'm putting this on YouTube.
Damn, wash your teeth, man.
Nigga, fuck you. I would suck my dick so far up your ass. You feeling from your prostate.
You're fucking faggot. You never had a girlfriend.
You're the I had a lot of girlfriends, nigga.
You had
nigga, fuck you. Fucking nigga.
Denying hot.
Bring me that ass.
Are you guys ready or not?
We're ready.
Go, Nick, stop complaining.
Maybe because they hold you upside down?
Should I just jump or just like that?
You can do anything. Just make it funny. Man, a minute so far and nothing.
Nick, hurry up!
Right, it's gonna be the most disliked video on YouTube. That's BB behind Friday.
Sorry, fans. I'm sorry.
Gonna be behind Friday.
I'm done.
Today's Tuesday. And tomorrow is Wednesday. Fuck, it's blacker than
It's light, man.
it's blacker than a nigga right here.
Hey, Brennan, go light it up, man. You don't light it up. Because I'm scared. Give me the...
Hold on. It's my freaking thumb. It's burned. Look, I swear, look.
Nick, we didn't act if it's burnt. We just actually lit up the thing. Nobody cares if your arms are burned. Then light this shit up.
Spencer, have another lighter?
Nick, come on!
He's having difficulties.
You suck at lighting stuff, bro.
2 minutes.
Just throw it away. I'm gonna do the mother raw jumps.
Come on, Ned. Let's go. Go on, Ned. You gonna go? You're sicking out. Sorry, guys. I forgot I have a pussy right here.
I'm gonna light up.
Okay, bye. Okay, guys, bye. Sorry for all the wait. For nothing.